Right now, millions of people around the globe are searching for a reliable mobile VPN for three very specific reasons. This table breaks down exactly who is driving this demand. We have mobile creators trying to bypass regional bans for CapCut templates, mobile gamers fixing high latency, and daily drivers looking for basic web privacy on public networks. But the App Store is currently flooded with hundreds of apps claiming to be 100% free with zero ping. This sheer volume makes it almost impossible to know which ones actually work. To cut through that noise, we're contrasting two completely opposite approaches to the free VPN, the generic one-tap model and the trusted freemium model. Picking the wrong category leads to two outcomes: hours wasted on unstable connections, or your personal device data being quietly harvested in the background. Here is the absolute truth about global tech infrastructure. Maintaining server networks costs a massive amount of money. Because of that, a truly free VPN does not exist. This graphic shows the core trade-off you have to make. You either pay up front with user friction, like creating an account, or you pay silently on the back end, with your background device data being tracked to cover the server costs. Treating every free VPN like the same tool is a major security hazard. How an app treats your connection is dictated entirely by its underlying business model. Let's map out how to match the right business model to your specific workflow and your personal risk tolerance. First, we have the generic or one-tap VPN model. Panda VPN is a primary example of this category. For mobile creators, the appeal is instant access to geo-locked apps like CapCut. You download the app, tap one button, and you're connected. No email required, no account setup. This quadrant chart maps the core trade-off. The y-axis represents privacy and trust. The x-axis represents convenience. Notice Panda VPN in the bottom right. High convenience, low trust. That convenience costs transparency. The app operates in a black box without audited security. To keep servers running for free, these apps rely on aggressive background ad tracking and device data harvesting to subsidize infrastructure. Generic one-tap VPNs are effective for bypassing a superficial geo-block quickly, but they are unsafe for general web browsing or handling personal accounts. Now let's look at the exact opposite approach, the trusted freemium model, using Proton VPN and its 50 million downloads as the benchmark. This model requires a friction tax. You must download a heavier application, sign up with an email address, and troubleshoot occasional guest mode connection errors. Returning to the trade-off chart, Proton VPN sits in the top left quadrant, directly opposing generic apps. It trades setup speed for high-level security. Users who push through that setup access audited zero logs policies and stable ping for competitive play. The business logic is transparent. Premium paid subscriptions subsidize free users, removing the financial incentive to secretly sell data. Freemium models offer verifiable digital security, but they require you to invest a few extra minutes of patience before you can actually connect. Almost every free VPN on the App Store claims to offer unlimited data and fast internet. We need to address the technical reality of those claims. This graph compares advertised speeds to actual performance. While the dotted line stays flat at the top, real-world speeds drop as thousands of users crowd onto the same free server nodes simultaneously. As a free user, you will inevitably deal with periodic disconnection drops, packet loss during peak hours, and eventual speed throttling once the server reaches capacity. While both VPN models can successfully bypass local network restrictions, neither free tier is realistically suitable for heavy file downloading or 4K streaming. Before making a choice, follow this baseline rule. Never use generic, unverified VPNs while logging into banking apps, personal emails, or handling sensitive data. To pick the right tool, let's look at this decision flowchart. It starts with your primary goal: a quick video edit, competitive gaming, or secure browsing. On the quick video edit path, ask yourself, do you care if app usage is tracked? If the answer is no, perhaps because you're using a burner device solely for a CapCut template, then a generic one-tap app like Panda is the zero-friction choice. However, look at the competitive gaming and secure browsing paths. These tasks require stable infrastructure and verified privacy. A trusted freemium app like Proton is the requirement for these high-stakes paths, regardless of the initial setup time. The right choice is dictated entirely by whether you are executing a low-stakes burner task or building your daily digital infrastructure. The marketing labels in the App Store are less important than the business model sitting behind the Install button. If you do use a generic one-tap VPN for a quick edit, make it a habit to delete it from your phone immediately after your task is complete. Treat generic free VPNs as disposable tools for disposable edits, and treat trusted freemium VPNs as the necessary armor for your daily digital life.